Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if you cannot obtain more spirits Bunny Pom Poms via the extra ones they give you in Heartopia. So, for instance, you're like fishing or you're watering crops and stuff like that, you get extra spirits Bunny Pom Poms. But there's a limit to that, and it's 800. I have 695 of the extras so far. I have 980 in total, but for instance, you need more. The only way you're able to get that is by the quests here. So the story quest and the daily quest, you'll get 10 per quest. So that's the only way. Like read it in the rule. You can like read it in the rules as well. It says during the event you can redeem specified items in the exchange store using the limited material. This material can be attained by completing daily requests. You also have a chance to earn it through the following methods up to 800. So, um so the limit here isn't like a limit to like the actual like pom poms. I've seen a lot of people get confused on that. So you can still obtain it via daily requests or story requests and stuff like that. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.